Mexican guacamole, often referred to as guac for short, is a beloved and iconic dip that has gained popularity worldwide. It is known for its creamy texture, vibrant green color, and rich flavor. Guacamole is made primarily from ripe avocados and is typically seasoned with lime juice, cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and various spices. Let's dive into the details of this delicious Mexican condiment. Avocado, the star ingredient of guacamole, is native to Mexico and plays a central role in Mexican cuisine. The creamy and buttery texture of ripe avocados provides the base for guacamole. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which contribute to the smooth and velvety consistency of guacamole. To make guacamole, ripe avocados are mashed until they reach a smooth and creamy consistency. The avocado should be fully ripe, with a dark green or black skin that yields slightly to gentle pressure. The flesh of the avocado should be soft and creamy, making it easier to mash and blend with other ingredients. Lime juice is a key component in guacamole, serving both as a flavor enhancer and as a preservative to prevent the avocado from browning. The tangy and citrusy notes of lime juice complement the richness of the avocado and add a refreshing element to the dip. The lime juice also helps to balance the flavors and prevent the guacamole from becoming too heavy. Cilantro, a popular herb in Mexican cuisine, adds a fresh and vibrant flavor to guacamole. The leaves of the cilantro plant are chopped and added to the mashed avocado mixture. Cilantro brings a unique and herbaceous taste that pairs well with the other ingredients and gives guacamole its distinct Mexican flavor. Onions provide a subtle sharpness and crunch to guacamole. Red onions are commonly used for their milder flavor and vibrant color. They are finely diced and added to the avocado mixture, contributing texture and a slight bite to the dip. For those who prefer a milder flavor, milder onion varieties like white or yellow onions can also be used. Tomatoes add a burst of freshness and acidity to guacamole. They provide a contrast to the creaminess of the avocado and add a juicy element to the dip. Ripe tomatoes are diced and incorporated into the mixture, ensuring a delightful balance of flavors and textures. Spices and seasonings are essential to enhance the overall taste of guacamole. Commonly used spices include salt, which helps to bring out the flavors of the ingredients, and ground cumin, which adds a warm and earthy note. Chili powder or finely chopped jalapenos can be added to provide a subtle or spicy kick, depending on personal preference. The preparation of guacamole can vary from region to region and from one cook to another. Some people prefer a chunky guacamole, where the avocado is roughly mashed, leaving small chunks for texture. Others prefer a smoother consistency, achieved by thoroughly mashing the avocado until it is creamy and uniform. Guacamole is a versatile condiment that can be enjoyed in various ways. It is commonly served as a dip with tortilla chips, providing a creamy and tangy counterpart to the crispy chips. Guacamole is also a popular topping for tacos, burritos, nachos, and quesadillas, adding a burst of flavor and richness to these dishes. It can even be used as a spread in sandwiches or as a dressing in salads. In Mexico, guacamole is often prepared and served tableside, allowing diners to witness the fresh ingredients being combined right before their eyes. This interactive experience adds to the enjoyment of the dish and highlights the freshness of the ingredients. In recent years, guacamole has gained international popularity and has become a staple in many cuisines beyond Mexico. It is loved for its health benefits, versatility, and delicious taste. Whether you're indulging in a classic Mexican feast or hosting a casual gathering, guacamole is sure to be a crowd pleaser. In conclusion, Mexican guacamole is a luscious and flavorful dip made from ripe avocados, lime juice, cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and spices. Its smooth and creamy texture, combined with the freshness of the ingredients, makes it a beloved condiment worldwide. Whether enjoyed with tortilla chips, as a topping, or as a spread, guacamole adds a vibrant and delicious touch to any meal. So, grab your avocados, lime, and seasonings, and prepare to savor the irresistible flavors of authentic Mexican guacamole.